The question on everybody's lips is, will this sunshine last for the weekend? Not good news for all, but I am glad to say that if you want the sunshine for tomorrow, at least there'll be little change. However, by the end of Sunday, it looks decidedly more unsettled and more wintry as well as we go into next week. And even the stubborn cloud that we've had this morning that's been plaguing parts of central Wales and East Wales, as you can see, is starting at long last to lift. But we have got some stubborn cloud just butting in against the Pennines across the northeast of England. The fog too has lifted. In Glasgow this morning it was really grey, but what a lovely afternoon to look forward to here. And although we have just a bit of patchy cloud today, it's certainly not spoiling the sunshine across the east of Northern Ireland. County Fermanagh perhaps faring best for the sunshine, and an abundance of that sunshine west of the Pennines through the Lake District. Really beautiful indeed here, as it will be in western parts of Wales, including the Llŷn Peninsula. We've even got a little bit of cloud across the West Country moors today, but again it's dry, it's sunny for most. We've still got that keen breeze though here in the south, but get out of the breeze and 15 degrees again will feel very pleasant indeed. The temperature's just hanging around at 11 or 12 though, where we have that stubborn cloud in the northeast. And if anything, it could be just a little bit colder tonight where we don't have the cloud around. An increasing risk, I think, of some ground frost in the south, although here, because of that wind, again, should be fairly localised. And then tomorrow, well, it's a repeat performance. There'll be some mist and fog again, I think. Likely bet the central lowlands like we had this morning, perhaps the northwest of England, parts of the Midlands and Wales. But again, by the end of the morning we should be seeing that disappearing and then more sunshine breaking through. But again, it will be the northeast of England and the northeast of Scotland where we have thicker cloud, if anything a little thicker than today, particularly in the Northern Isles. And here it will tend to increase through the day. Orkney, the north of Scotland, even a few spots of rain probably by the time we get to tea time. Notice we keep the sunshine though further south and west. The reason for the cloud in the north, well, that's a weather front, and behind it temperatures start to drop. We see the change, those northerly winds coming in, but for most of us temperatures on a par with those of today. But let's follow this weather front because it then starts to sink southwards during Sunday, so that to the south of it, on Sunday at least, we'll hold on to the dry and the bright weather despite it being a little bit breezy. There's also going to be a weather front close by to the Channel Islands, I think, just giving a grey and dampish day here. But to the north of that weather front, well, we will have some rain, I think, for a time. Doesn't look as if it'll mount to a great deal, sadly, and then it's behind that weather front that it starts to turn more wintry. A little bit of sleet and snow starting on the hills, and temperatures will tend to dip away. Darren.
All right, Helen, thank you.